Good morning all of you. In the last class I give you some questions from the chapter perimeter, area and volume. And the first question is find the perimeter of the rectangle. Find the perimeter of the rectangle with length is 7.5 centimeter and breadth is 2.3 centimeter. Okay, this is the question, and every time at the time of doing the problem you write the equation also. Okay, so you know the perimeter of the rectangle, it is 2 into L plus B. This is the equation to find out the perimeter. Here length is given as 7.5 centimeter and breadth is given as 2.3 centimeter. So 2 into length plus breadth. So 7.5 plus 2.3, it is 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 2 9. So inside the bracket we have 9.8. So 2 into 9.8, 8 2s are 16, carrying 1, 9 2s are 18, plus 1, 19, and we have one digit after the decimal point. So we move one places to the left. So the answer is 19.6, and what is its unit? The measures given in centimeter, so you write the answer also in centimeter. This is the first question. Okay. Second question is find the area of the rectangles. Area of the rectangles. Two rectangles are there. The figures are given. The first one is with measures 13 meter and 8 meter. So here length is equal to 13 meter and breadth is equal to 8 meter. So we want to find out the area. What's the equation to find out the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. So it is equal to 13 into 8. 13 into 8 is 8 is a 24, carrying 2. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. And the answer is 104. And what is its unit? The measures are given in meter. So the answer is meter square. 104 meter square. This is the first question, and the second one is 9.5 centimeter and 2.7 centimeter. Okay, this is the question. Here the length is given as 9.5 and breadth is 2.7. Area is equal to length into breadth, that is 9.5 into 2.7. How you multiply two decimal numbers? Avoid the decimal point and multiply by considering it as normal numbers. 95 into 27. 7 5s are 35, carrying 3. 9 7s are 63, plus 3, 66. Then 5 2s are 10, carrying 1. Then 9 2s are 18, plus 1, 19. Add 5, 6, 9 plus 6, 15, carrying 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 25, 2565. But we have 2 digits after the decimal point in total. So we move 2 places to the back, and the answer is 25.65. So 25.65, and the unit is given in centimeter. So how you write the answer? Finally, square centimeter or centimeter square. We read it as centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay. This is the first question. of question number 3, find the area and perimeter of the given squares. And the first square is this one with the side 10.7 centimeter. We want to find out the area and perimeter of this square. What's the equation to find out the area of a square? Side into side. And the equation to find out the perimeter of the square is 4 into side, because all the sides are equal. So we add the 4 sides 4 times. That's why we get 4 into side. So one side is given as 10.7, and first we find out the area, that is side into side, that is 10.7 into 10.7. Then you multiplied this by considering it as normal numbers. 7 sevens are 49, carrying 4, 7 into 0, 0, plus 4, 4, 7 ones are 7. Then 0 into 7 is 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 1. Then 1 sevens are 7, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1. 4, 7 plus 7 is 14, carrying 1. Then 114.449 is the answer. But we have total 2 digits after the decimal point. So we move 2 places to the left from the end. So what you get? 114.49, and the unit is centimeter square, because the measures are given in centimeters. So this is the area. Then can you say what is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 10.7. 4 into 10.7 means you multiplied by 107 into 4. 7 4s are 28, carrying 2. 4 into 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Then 4 ones are 4. Then we have 1 digit after the decimal point. So we move 1 places to the left. So the answer is 42.8. Unit is centimeter, because the side is given in centimeter. So the perimeter of the square is 42.8 centimeter, and the area is 114.49 centimeter square. Okay. Next question is to find out the area of this square. The measure is given as 18 meter. Measure is given in meter, and area is equal to side into side, and the side is given as 18. So 18 into 18 you find out. 18 into 18, 8 8s are 64, carrying 6. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 ones are 8. 1 into 1, then 4. 8 plus 4 is 12, carrying 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 324 is the answer. Here we have no decimal point, so you write the answer directly, and the measure is given in meter. So 324 meter square is the answer. Then we want to find out the perimeter also. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 18. So 18 into 4. 8 4s are 32, carrying 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So 72 meter, because the measure is given in meter. So the perimeter of the second square is 72 meter, and the area of the second square is 324 meter square. Okay. Another type of questions in this chapter is we want to compare two figures and find out which one has larger perimeter, or which one has larger area, or which one has smaller perimeter or smaller area. That type of questions are also included in this chapter, and this is an example. Which has larger perimeter? A rectangular garden of length 15 meter and breadth 8 meter, or a square field of side 13 meter. We have a rectangular garden and a square field. We want to find out the perimeter of both field, that is rectangular field and square field, and find out which has larger perimeter. So first we find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to, what's the equation? 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into, what is L? L is equal to 15 and breadth is equal to 8. So 15 plus 8. Okay. So 2 into 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 into 2. 23 into 2. 46. 46 meter, because the measure is given in meter. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 46 meter. Then we find out the perimeter of square also. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. That is 4 into side is given as 13. So 13 into 4, 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, equal to 52 meter. Okay. Thus we find out the perimeter of rectangle and square separately, and we get the perimeter of square as 52 meter and perimeter of rectangle is 46 meter. So which one has larger perimeter? Square field has larger perimeter. So you conclude your answer like this. Perimeter square has larger perimeter. Okay. Square has larger perimeter. You write the answer according to the given question, which has smaller perimeter. Instead of this one, suppose the question is which has smaller perimeter. How you conclude your answer? Rectangle has smaller perimeter. So you write the answer according to the given question. Hope you understood all the problems. After watching it, all of you write these questions with answers in your notebook. Okay, thank you.